Hi beavers, hi monkeys, how are you? I hope you're safe and healthy. Today we're going to be learning about the life cycle of a bean plant. Beans are nutritious vegetables that grow from plants. You can grow your own bean plant in a garden or in a jar. Let's take a look on how beans grow. Beans grow through a life cycle of 4 stages. Our first stage is a seed, and then our big word, the germination stage, and then the seedling stage, and then the flower stage. Let's watch our bean grow through each stage. The life cycle begins when a seed is planted in the soil. The seed needs 3 things. It needs sunlight, it needs water, and it needs nutrients to help it grow. Next, the seed goes through the process of germination. This is our big words, remember, because we learn about big words. This is called germination. This is when the seed begins to grow underground. So germination is the stage when the seed grows underground. The seed becomes a seedling in the 3rd stage. The seedling has roots in the soil and has a short stem that supports the leaves to grow. The seedling also needs water and sunlight to continue to grow. Then our final stage, the seedling becomes a flower in the final stage of our life cycle. The flower produces more beans so we can eat it, or the flower also produces new seeds, and then the cycle begins again. So this is a paper that I have put for you on our page, or you can use a piece of paper and pencils and colors so you can draw your life cycle. And this is how it will be. Our first stage is the seed is planted underground, and it needs water, sunlight, and nutrients. And then our second stage is germination, is when the seed begins to grow under the ground. And then our third stage is the seedling stage, is when the roots begin to grow underground and you can see a short stem above the ground. And then our last stage, it becomes a beautiful flower that produces more seeds and more beans. This is our life cycle right here. You can use this paper as I told you before, or you can use a paper and a pencil and then you can draw it. Here, you can use this paper too, so it can remind you of our sentences. Remember, I begin my sentence with an uppercase letter, remember? And then I have finger space between our words. I have punctuation, a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. My handwriting is neat. My sentence makes sense. So remember these checkpoints when you are writing in your paper. Okay, monkeys, okay, beavers. I know you can do it because we did it so many times. I'm super proud of you. I hope you like the activity and stay tuned because we have something else for you.